Stock option trading. One call option jumped almost 3 times in 4 days. I want to give it to you as a present. The last time I talked about one call option that jumped 53.64%. That was 3 weeks ago on August 30, 2025. APP 450 call. Expiration date January 16, 2026. So what happened? The stock jumped over 42.78%, right, within the past few weeks, and it gained 301% in a month. When I gave it to you, it was only 52.64%. So anybody who traded this after watching this video, hey, you could have made extra how many percent? Look at this, 250%, right? 250%. Of course, my patron got it the first time. It was only 55.7 on August 21st. August 21st, okay? And this video was made on August 30th. So even though it's 7 days later, that's one thing I love about option, right? Hey, any option that could go up a lot tend to go up much higher. So which is the reason why I give this to you. And hey, everybody, if you made profit, congratulations. Today we're gonna talk about one call option that just jumped, almost 3 times within 4 days. I believe it could go up more. Welcome to World Traveling Millionaire Stock Investor and Option Trader channel. So what is that call option? That call option is AMAT. Okay, AMAT. That was only 10.38 on September 16. I sent out an alert to my patrons, and it jumped 24.35% over the past month. Look at this, right? Over the past month, and the past 5 days, it jumped 7.42%, and it has the potential to go up much higher. It's only up 22.93% year to date. 5 year is up 245.94%. The all-time high it used to be 243. Hey, so that means it still has some potential, right? Potential is if it breaks out, it could go up much higher too. But it may pull back a little bit. That's very normal. So what we could do, I'm thinking out loud, right? If I were you, right, you also knew that after I gave it to you, the last time APP app, Patron numbers 55.7, and I gave it to you, and that was 85.58. So that means you could have bought it at 8,558. Then after that, you see, it became 4 times. 223, so that means 22,355. If you just invested at the time 8,500, your 8,500 would have become 22,300, right? So you know that I gave out the great call option tips. So if I were you, right, this is not financial advice, what I would do, you already know that my call option 180 12/19 AMAT expiration date is December, and 180% jump in 4 days, 29.03. Right now it's around 29.03. Okay, so I could just add a little bit, just one call option, right? If it pulls back, I will add more, right? So just add one. I would just add one. I'm thinking out loud what I would do if I were you. I would just add one right now, so that if it goes up further, hey, because I really don't want to miss out gain like 300% gain, right? The last time I gave it to you, it was already 300. It was 53.864% when I made a video. Then it became 300% gain. So you could have got 250% gain even if you enter after watching my video. So this call option is up only 180% in 4 days. That was very quick. Okay, after I traded, I sent out an alert. Wow, within 4 days, 180%, but it has the potential to go up more, 10.38 to 29.03. So what I would do is I would just add just one call option because it just broke out. Look at this, it just broke out this high, just broke out. It could go up farther to maybe say 243, right? So I would just add one, see how long it can run. If it runs until 240 or if it runs higher 240, perfect. Yay! You will probably have made 50%, 70%, even 100% gain. But if it breaks up more, even better. If it pulls back a little bit, yeah, I'm okay. I would just add more call option or maybe buy stocks. That's what I would do. So basically, why did it go up? That's very important, right? There are a few reasons why stock go up. This stock used to be really down. Look at this, 158, 160 on September 4th. Then it recovered because of fund managers, hedge fund managers, institution. They chase the return. Because they don't want to miss out on return. Most hedge fund managers and institutions, they lose money, right? They don't beat S&P 500. So in order to chase performance, they need to add great companies at a discount, right? Which is really cheap at the time. So this stock year to date is down 160. It used to be down 130, 136. Then it went out 197, then after that it went down 150. So they added to this company. And also the AI earnings from Broadcom, Nvidia, and Oracle, they have been very, very good. So this is like they made the chip equipment, right? Chip equipment. So the chip equipment manufacturer still gonna be in demand because Nvidia, AMD, Broadcom, they need to make so many chips for AI revolutions. And also China too. Their majority of revenue come from China. So once US and China's get trade agreement, which seem to have positive sign right now. So then this company could perform really well. They could do business really well. So that's why it has been going up the past 1 month, 24.35%, 5 days, 7.42%, even 1 day. It stayed up. Even today, the S&P 500 was down, Nasdaq was down. See, it stayed up. So look at S&P 500 right now. So today is down. Okay, today is a down day because very normal to have a pullback after Federal Reserve announced the rate cut. There is a 50% chance that pullback is gonna happen within 60 days. So that's why it's happening. Nothing surprising. Okay, nothing surprising. Dow Jones. Look at Dow Jones. Dow Jones, yeah, it's down. Even the down market day, like today, see the stock positive. It wanted to go negative, but then positive again. So that's a very good sign. Of course, this stock is overbought right now. So which is why I said if I were you, I would just add just one call option. Okay, if you already own the stock, hey, probably you don't need to buy call option. Just ride out the uptrend. Or if it pulls back, you know what, just probably add set put option or buy some stock. That's what I would do. Okay, not a financial advice, I'm just saying what I would do. Okay, anyway, if you have any question, comment down below. If you want to reach out to me, or the link gonna be in the description, comment down below. Share, subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.